Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's flight will be flying from Coventry to Cambridge, departing Coventry on runway 23 left-hand circuit, part of my cross-country qualifying solo. Tuning into ATIS and a final approach into Cambridge. Sit back, relax and enjoy.
Golf Juliet Alpha Charlie Alpha over on the Bravo apron, ready to taxi.
Golf Juliet Alpha Charlie Alpha, Coventry information, your readability 5. Taxi to Kilo from runway 23 left-hand circuit, QNH 1026.
Taxi to Kilo and a QNH of 1026, student Golf Charlie Alpha.
Golf Romeo Alpha Tango Echo, Coventry information, readability 5. Runway 23 left-hand circuit in use, QNH 1026. Taxi to Bravo 1.
Well, the 23 left hand, QNH 1026 and taxi to Bravo 1. Tango Echo.
Arrow 47, lake downwind, touch and go.
Arrow 47, roger, report final. Look out for a Robin 200 routing from Draco Water for left base.
Look, Arrow 47.
Golf Foxtrot Charlie, squawk 0420, remain outside and below controlled airspace.
0420 on the cross, remain outside below airspace. Coventry information, Oxford 16, 2 miles south of Draycott, request airfield information and joining instructions.
Oxford 16, Coventry information, your readability 5. Runway 23 left-hand circuit use, QNH is 1026. Squawk 0420, remain outside and below controlled airspace.
Fuel is good. Flaps 1, trimmer is set, carb heat cold, mixture set to rich, fuel pump on, primer is guarded, engine instruments check, T's and P's are all good, battery's good, alternator's charging, radio set to Coventry and then over to London information, magnetos on both radios set, flight instruments, seatbelt seat secure, doors latched, locked, instruments and full and free.
How about 40 is established left base runway 23?
How about 40, report final.
So how about 40?
Student Golf Juliet Alpha Charlie Alpha at K Kilo, hold in for runway 23, ready for departure.
Student Golf Charlie Alpha, roger, hold position, squawk 0420, remain outside and below controlled airspace.
Squawk 0420, remain outside and controlled airspace and hold K Kilo Charlie Alpha.
Student Golf Charlie Alpha, via Kilo, port lined up, runway 23.
Via Kilo, line up runway 23, Golf Charlie Alpha, student pilot.
Coventry from Tango Echo. How long length of runway do I have from this position, please?
Of Tango Echo, standby. Student Golf Charlie Alpha, runway 23, take over your discretion, service wind 350, 4 knots.
Take over my discretion, student Golf Charlie Alpha, thank you.
Student Golf Charlie, away.
Speed alive, T's and P's are good, all in the green, 50 knots, 55.
Student Golf Charlie, roger, squawk on security and free call en route, see you soon.
Squawk on security, free call. See you soon, thank you.
Golf Tango Echo, you have 832 metres total takeoff distance from Bravo 1.
Roger, understood. Thank you, Tango Echo.
Roger, 47.
Flaps
Oxford 16, downwind, runway 23, touch and go.
Oxford 16, roger, call final.
We'll go Oxford 16.
Fox Charlie is overhead 1400 and request leaving via Simansburg.
Golf Foxtrot Charlie, roger, that's copied. Circuit traffic is midpoint downwind, PA 34, and traffic soon to be on the climb out at Cessna 152.
Visual on the traffic, Golf Fox Charlie.
Golf Tango Echo, do you require a backtrack?
Golf Tango Echo negative.
Golf Tango Echo, roger, hold position.
Tango Echo holding.
Fuel pump up.
Golf Tango Echo, roger, report leaving frequency.
Roger, will do, Tango Echo.
47 downwind, touch and go.
Okay, so here it's 47.
Well car, 47.
Golf Foxtrot Charlie, look out for a PA28 routing towards Draker Water. It's approximately 18 miles to run.
Golf Fox Charlie, copy. And approaching Simansburg, next will be direction east and visual on the other traffic.
Student, Golf Charlie Alpha, request change of frequency to land information 124.600.
Student Golf Charlie Alpha, roger, squawk on security and free call London. See you soon.
Squawk on security, thank you, bye-bye. London information from Golf Juliet Alpha Charlie Alpha, student pilot for basic service.
Golf Juliet Alpha Charlie Alpha, London information, good afternoon, pass your message.
Student Golf Juliet Alpha Charlie Alpha is a PA28, 1 POB, travelling from Coventry to Cambridge via Sywell and Biggleswade. Currently at 3,000 feet on the QNH of 1026 for a basic service, please, Student Golf Charlie Alpha.
Student Golf Charlie Alpha, roger, squawk 1177 with my Charlie and is a basic service.
Squawk 1177, basic service, Student Golf Charlie Alpha. ATIS, it is 134605. 134605.
Information uniform received. Cambridge arrival and departure information uniform at time 1350. Runway NU 05. Surface wind 340 degrees 8 knots. Cab OK. Temperature 19. Dew point 6. Q on H1026 hectopascals. Aerodrome QFE 1024 hectopascals. QFE threshold runway 051025 hectopascals.
London information from student Golf Juliet Alpha Charlie Alpha, request change of frequency to Cambridge approach on 120.965. Golf Charlie Alpha.
Golf Charlie Alpha, certainly. Squawk on security, good day.
Squawk on security, thank you, bye-bye.
Requesting frequency change to Gloucester approach on
120.965.
Golf Delta
20.
Golf Delta Juliet, we'll just squawk on security, good day. 47,000, thank you, Golf Delta Juliet.
Just check ATIS again.
Cambridge arrival and departure information uniform at time 135.
Okay, so let's go to Cambridge rate 120.965. 120.965. 965. There we go.
Calling me.
Okay, here's Biggleswade here, so Biggleswade, it's a 061 heading. Cambridge approach from student Golf Juliet Alpha Charlie Alpha, inbound with information uniform.
Golf Juliet Alpha Charlie Alpha, Cambridge approach faces uniform, runway 05, QNH 1026.
Runway 05, QNH 1026, student Golf Charlie Alpha.
Golf Juliet Alpha, squawk 6176.
Squawk 6176, student Golf Charlie Alpha. 6176. Biggleswade, hello.
Golf Charlie Alpha, report your range from Cambridge.
15 nautical miles.
Firm 15.
15, affirm.
Golf Charlie Alpha, basic service. Report when you have 5 miles to run for joining instructions.
Basic service, report 5 miles instructions. Student Golf Charlie Alpha.
Golf Charlie Alpha, just caution as you transit west of Cambridge, there is intense gliding activity in the Granston Lodge area.
Looking out for the traffic, the glide is student Golf Charlie Alpha. Okay, so this is
Bravo, Roger, report clear of Cambridge.
1517. Oh, let's come down a bit. God dear me, it's bumpy. Okay, so on the next leg, car beat, just set to heat. Now to back down. Good, running nicely, back up to 3000. Okay, stay on this heading, 061. Okay, so I need to get down to 2,500, so let's start my descent. Car beat.
Golf Charlie Alpha, tower advised position straight in for runway 05.
Straight in for runway 05, student Golf Charlie Alpha.
Golf Charlie Alpha, for joining contact tower 125.905, bye-bye.
Contact tower 125.905, student Golf Charlie Alpha. Cambridge Tower from student Golf Juliet Alpha Charlie Alpha, student pilot.
Student Golf Juliet Alpha Charlie Alpha, Cambridge Tower, good afternoon. Make a straight and approach to runway 05, special QFE 1025.
QFE 1025, straight and approach runway 05, student Golf Charlie Alpha.
Golf Charlie Alpha, report a 4-mile final.
Report 4-mile finals, student Golf Charlie Alpha.
Student Golf Charlie, closing now.
1025, 1025.
November 1 Tango Tango, hold at holding point Charlie.
Okay, so there's the puppies.
November 1 Tango Tango.
Okay, a little bit high at the moment, so let's... Fantastic.
Golf Whiskey Kilo, continue to runway vacate at Bravo and taxi Bravo Alpha to light aircraft park.
Vacate Bravo to light aircraft parking. Golf Whiskey Kilo.
November 1 Tango Tango, you ready for departure?
Hey firm, ready for departure, November 1 Tango Tango.
November 1 Tango Tango via Charlie, enter runway 05, backtrack line up and wait the traffic on the runway to vacate at Bravo.
Into runway 05, back up, backtrack line up
fuel
to
pump
wait.
on,
November
brake
1
pressure is
Tango
good,
Tango.
mixture set to rich, car beat is on. T's and P's are all good, seatbelt seat secure. Fuel pump is on, fuel is on the highest tank, good. Student Golf Charlie Alpha, just inside 4 miles, runway 05.
Student Golf Charlie Alpha, continue approach service in 360 degrees 5 knots, traffic backtracking to depart is a Cherokee 6.
Okay. Looking over the traffic, straight in 05, Golf Charlie Alpha, student pilot.
Alpha Hotel Juliet, hold position. I'll give you further taxi shortly.
Holding Golf Hotel Juliet.
Golf Charlie Alpha, runway 05, clear to land, servicing 030 degrees 06 knots.
Clear to land, runway 05, Studio Golf Charlie Alpha.
And Foxtrot Lima Kilo, it's the left hand to taxi on to taxiway Charlie. Hold initially at the compass swing base, which is the large circular piece of tarmac on taxiway Charlie.
Copy Lima Kilo, taxi to Charlie, holding wait.
Okay, car peak goes off.
November 1, Tango contact Cambridge approach 120.965.
Taking Cambridge 120.965.
Hold. Not quite the centre line, but that'll do.
Golf Charlie Alpha, vacated Charlie, 200 metres ahead on your left hand side.
Vacate Charlie, Studio Golf Charlie Alpha. Awesome. Welcome to Cambridge. There you go, here's my exit. Just there, slow brakes.
Golf Charlie Alpha, as you pass the holding point board, there'll be a right turn onto the grass, taxiway November to Park Line X-ray or Whiskey.
Okay. After the board, turn right onto the grass, November, and park in X-ray or Yankee. Student Golf Charlie Alpha.
That's line X-ray or Whiskey.
Sorry, pardon. X-ray or Whiskey. Golf Charlie Alpha. Okay, so...
Golf Hotel Juliet, taxi via Alpha and Charlie to the compass swing base on taxiway Charlie for your check.
Once again, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. It helps with my channel, and look forward to the next episode.